Hi guys, in this video we'll show you how to replace engine air filter on Mazda 6 CX-5 2.2 diesel in 5 easy steps. The engine air filter is located under the hood on the left side of the car, indicated with the red arrow, under that plastic case. First, you have to release those two clips from the air filter case. So you can use the flat blade screwdriver to easily release it. Then you can disconnect the cables or not. This is your choice if you want to create more space. To release it, start pushing forward and then press on the tab to remove the harness. Also, you can release the cables to create more space. And then take the air filter cap aside and replace the old filter with the new one. So you can find the new air filter for Mazda 6 and CX-5 2.2 diesel in the video description below. Then place the air filter cap back and put those two clips back. Connect the harness and cables back. And that's it. If you have any suggestions about new tutorials, let us know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.